Karma Guy here. Check out this 2016 Honda Accord Sport offered at a reduced price due to a rebuilt title and accident history. The accident occurred over a year ago, and this Accord has passed FL and GA state safety inspections, earning its rebuilt title. With dealer certified pre-owned status, it's backed by a 3-month or 3,000-mile quality plus warranty and a complimentary 5-year maintenance plan for added peace of mind. We've performed recent major service valued at over $1,285, including 2 new tires, spark plugs, left CV axle, air filter, and cabin filter. It also has current GA state emissions and is ready to ride. To ensure transparency, we've included snapshots of the CARFAX accident history and system scans showing no dash lights or issues with ECM, TCM, and SRS systems. Please note, any additional price reductions or discounts will void the CPO status and included benefits. As always, we encourage pre-purchase inspections. The bitterness of poor quality remains long after the sweetness of low price is forgotten. Save big and drive confidently with this Accord.